Good day. Hello, this is Matthew and This is 217 Top Trades. I messed up on my last video, so I'm here with you right now, and we're going to get it started. It is October 19th. I'm doing this on October 20th, though, right before the open of the market, and I tell you about futures all of the time. Watch the futures. What do the indexes do? What do this, and that? What happened today was we went from green pre-market, and then we went to red right at open. We fell at open, went right below VWAP, and then kind of just climbed right up above them for all the indexes, which is really bullish. What else is new? A lot of indexes, a lot of stocks, that is indexes. They are at 52-week highs, so that means we are extremely bullish. Wall Street is extremely bullish on the indexes right now. So we will see where they go today and which way they go. But anyways, watch the futures. That's my main point here today. Upstart, it had a terrible day, down 4.2%, down to 367. Adobe, it had a nice day at 636, up about 2%, and it's up about 11% from its bottoms after it missed earnings at 560. So it's up 11%, like I said. Baba, it's up 6% today, up 177. Coin had a nice day with Bitcoin. It's at 305, up 4%. Deer had a nice day, up 344, and it's up at 3.3%. AMC had a terrible day, down 5%, down 40. J&J, they do a vaccine, obviously, and I think they got more approval, but they had earnings. They did decent on earnings, and their probably outlook looks decent for right now, and they pay a 2% dividend. What else moved markets? Oil kind of jumped up to 7-year highs today and before coming back. So Exxon and CVX and a whole bunch of oil stocks are just kind of steadily ticking up, which means inflation is here, buddy, and we are in it. So they moved up 1.4% in tandem. JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, their financials did pretty good. Looking good for earnings. What else? Ulta did terrible today, down 10.5%. After its highs around 410, 415, 420. It's down to 363. What else today? Okay, let's go to crypto really quick. And BTC, like I did say, it went up 4.5%. It's at 64,222. And there is if you don't want to invest in BTC directly, there is a leverage system here. It's an ETF. It's BITO is the ticker, and that tracks the futures of Bitcoin. So we will have to track where that goes. I think it's at like $41 right now. So it is like trading around $41 the whole day today, 40, 41. So look for that. I will keep you guys posted, but Ethereum had 1.8% up at 3,816, ADA 2.1. Solana's at 1.53 or 153, excuse me, and Cheeb's at 27. Avalanche is at 55. What else is new in the commodities world? Like I did say, ExxonMobil and CVX and a bunch of oil stocks, they had some news out of, I think, Russia or wherever, but they are popping here up at like 7-year highs and up to maybe even 2008 year highs. So there is inflation. That is, I feel like, a direct core inflation right there is where oil is going and continues to go. So that's at 82.3 and 85. Nat gas is at 5.05. Wheat's at 7.3. Corn's at 5.3. Soybeans at 12.2. Palladium's up at 4% at 2,099. Cattle's at 1.24. Hogs at 77. Anyways, what else? Gold's at 1769. Silver's at 23.7, gained 2%. Copper gained 0.8%, which is another inflationary gauge, I would say, is at 4.6. And nat gas, like I did say, gained 1% at 5, and you got to watch out for that. I thought that was kind of coming down, but it's kind of going back up. So it's just you just got to watch out for that. Anyways, what else did good was Bros. It's up at 64.7, up 12%, backed by a couple banks, and people on the East Coast are probably buying into that because it is, I believe, Seattle based. What else? Like for the futures today, the pro QQQs, the Qs, like I did say, they did lead today, 0.9%. It went up 2.2%. In inverse correlation, the short QQQs, it went down 7.42. It's at 1.9% down. The UVXY got clapped 1.1% at 17.3. And the VIX also went down 0.89, down 19.5. The dollar did get slightly weaker by 0.2 at 93.7. What else is it in the markets? I'm going to start this. I think I started maybe a video or two ago, but I'm going to do the pre-market, where we started out in the pre-market, and then what actually happened during the day market, and show that there is a little bit of a difference. If you miss it before time, or you buy in the well, you can only buy in certain times, but certain, like the market hours, but there are moves that get made before time, so that means you have to get there the next day or the previous day, and that is something I'm trying to help you guys with. But anyways, the Dow, it went up 215 points today, up 35,473, up 0.61. The S&P, it rose 37 points, up to 4,524, up 0.84%. And the Nasdaq, it led by 0.9, up 15,438, up 137 points. And then Russell, it was up 13 points, up 0.59, up 2,280. And like I said, so that was the market final. That was the market final. And the pre-market, what we did was 0.38, so we were up pretty much half of what the Dow was. In the pre-market for the S&P, we were up 0.38 as well. In the Nasdaq, we were up 0.28 in the pre-market, and in the Russell, we were up 0.59. So pretty much 0.59, correlate that with what we finished. We didn't do anything for the Russell indexes because we were pretty much flat. In correlation to the Nasdaq, we gained 94 points in the actual market, or up 0.62 points, 0.62%, excuse me. And the S&P, what it actually did was 21 points, or 0.46%. And the the Dow, it went up 80 points and up 0.23%. So what I'm trying to say is, all those moves, what we did before time was in the pre-market, and then like the daytime had a little dip, but you didn't move much from what it already had made a move of in the pre-market. But anyways, that's what I'm just trying to help you out with. This is Matthew Ndazzo. I hope you like this video, and I'm sticking here with you because we are roughing them back at all-time highs, coming up on all these indexes, and I will be here with you to help you guys through it. This is week 9 for me. I have been through about 4 years right now in trading and commodities and just everything, pretty much investor. So I hope you guys stick with me. This is Matthew Ndazzo, and this is 217 Top Trades. Goodbye.